How to use clone tool in Photopea. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can use clone tool in Photopea. So how can you use this? It is very simple. It is very simple. So I'll be showing you how to do so in this tutorial. Just follow me to the end. So the first step is to log in into your Photopea account just like I have done here. And then once you've logged in, just go ahead and click on the project you want to work on. You can try to select the template. Alright. And once you select the template and it has loaded, you will be brought to this page automatically. Alright. So I would like to select on that template. So I'll be going back now. So this is template I would love to work on. And then once you're on this page, the next step is to move to the right side of the screen where you can see more details about your templates, such as the layers, the channels, the paths. Alright, just select the layers, ensure you're on the layers tab. And then once you're on this tab, select the text or the layer that you would like to use the clone tool for. So once you've selected it, just move to the left side of the screen where you can see so many icons such as the move icon, the select, the rectangle select, CC, and then scroll down until you can see the clone tool. The clone tool is located below the brush tool and then above the eraser tool. Once you click on the clone tool, just move to the top part of the screen to edit the size of the tool, and then you can see normal, etc. Just play around this the way you want, and then once you've done that, you come over to the main page, and then you have to select the you have to select the text or the layer that you want to clone. All right, so once you click on it this way, you can see an instruction asking you to rasterize the text layer first. So click OK. And then once you have it rasterized, just long press on the Alt key or your keyword. And then once you've long pressed on it, just use it and then select the text this way. And then once you've selected it, automatically the image or the text will be cloned, and then whenever you tap on, once it's cloned, whenever you tap on the canvas would have that text automatically, just like I am doing here. So this is how you can use the clone tool Photopea. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.